Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Easy English with me, your host, Dabaitu, the Big White Rabbit. Today, we're going to talk about English in the airport and some phrases you will need when you're at the airport and you're traveling. So let's begin. Uh, we're going to just go over 20 English phrases you'll hear at the airport. And the first one is when you arrive at the airport and you go to the desk to check in. First thing you're going to hear is passport, please. Passport, hujiao in Chinese, is what you will be asked to present first. And they will also ask, do you have any bags to check? And this means, do you have any bags that you want to give us so we can put it on the plane? Also, regarding your seat on the airplane, you'll be asked, window or aisle? Meaning, do you want to sit by the window and look outside, or do you want to sit near the aisle where it's easy to get up and go to the bathroom? Now, once you're on the airplane or in the airport, you'll get some security questions. For example, or some commands, especially when you're going through customs. Take your laptop out of the bag. Of course, they have to check your bag, your carry-on bag, before you get on the plane. So they'll say, take your laptop out of the bag. And they may also say, remove your shoes, please. Now, when you are getting onto the airplane, it's called boarding, and you're sitting in your seat at the gate waiting to be called. And you might hear something like, now boarding Group A. Or, please have your boarding pass ready. Now, when you're in the airport, sometimes it's difficult to find your gate. So you could say, where is gate 32? Or, is this the right line? So you know where to wait. Okay, so that's it. Some basic English for airport use. And if you are traveling, have a safe trip. And let me know where you're traveling to. So that's it for today. See you another time. Dabaitu saying bye-bye for now.